Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create radius dimension. Because radius dimension is a half diameter dimension calculation for any arc, any diameter, any circle. So when how to create the radius dimension, when I go to calculate. So first of all I will go to create circle here. This is circle. When I click this circle right now and create this particular area, so when I provide 100 circle here, then also create the line and again create this point. So look at this, here the circle. When I want to go to extend this particular line here, so select the temporary circle we will create, then extend here. So we will go to EX enter, just EX enter, then apply the extend command and click the line only, they are extend. Then also this is make here circle, okay. Then I will go to provide the radial dimension. So first of all I will create the center line, there apply the center line here. This is center line, but their distance is very low, so when I go to change the distance is 200. If I provide the 100, so like that this is our angular distance has been converted. And I will go to change the color right now, specific color we will provide here. Then also go to provide the hidden line. So they are looking very so when how to give the radial dimension. So first of all look at this here, this is annotation. When I go to, this is the radius. When I click the radius here, just click radius. When I click the circle right now, this is circle here, and also click again, I will also click the circle here. But look at this, they are very large dimensions, so I will go to change the dimension style. So click the D enter. When come from dimension style, then go to modify. It is come from, when I change the only arrow size, this is arrow size here, when I give the 5 mm, and also text size we will provide the 15 mm, then 5, and it is has been completed from this sketch. Then go to current set. Then after, when I change the arrow, basically the arrow has not the suitable, so when I will provide the close field arrow. So then OK, and apply current set and close. So look at this arrow here and dimension here, it's useful for, they are only given that in arrow size. This is look like here, and also I will click this line circle, and this is provide the here. So it is calculate the radius form of dimension here. Look at this, when whatever you create this, when I create the circle arc here, when I make the arc, so again same thing we will find out the radius. When I go to radius here and click this point, and it is provide the radius. So you can do whatever you make the circle and half circle, there go to you can give the radius, so we will apply the radius form. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe our channel, and thank you.